A monster scared the people grand. Grendel stomped through every hall. Nobody could stop him at all. But across the stormy sea came a hero brave and free. Beowulf sailed with all his men, ready to fight the beast in the den. Beowulf, Beowulf, strong and brave and bold, fighting monsters, helping friends, a hero from the tales of old. Beowulf, Beowulf, hear the people cheer, standing tall to do what's right. The mighty hero is here. At the hall called Heorot bright, Beowulf stayed there through the night. Grendel came with growls so deep, while everyone pretended sleep. With his mighty hands so strong, Beowulf fought all night long. Grendel ran away in fear, and joy spread far and near. Beowulf, Beowulf, strong and brave and bold, fighting monsters, helping friends, a hero from the tales of old. Beowulf, Beowulf, hear the people cheer, standing tall to do what's right. The mighty hero's here. Then Grendel's mother came one day, angry in a frightening way. Beowulf dived beneath the lake for one more dangerous battle's sake. Years went by and Beowulf ruled, wise and kind and never cruel. Then a dragon breathed its flame,